Okay, so today we're off to the British Fireworks Championships and we're heading down to a golf club to be able to go and see it. British Fireworks Championships happens every single year here in Plymouth, so let's go.
Oh no, vlogging glasses on.
Alright, I'm just going to pause that there for a moment. As you can tell from my lovely wife Claire's comment about vlogging glasses, she finds the whole thing a little bit cringeworthy and embarrassing on the vlogging side. And you'll notice she always takes herself out of frame whenever she can, whenever the camera is about. But let's go back to the action. Ready for the British Fireworks Championships, boys?
Yeah!
How about you? Ever enthused by my videoing. So there's the lighthouse, Drake's Island, and here is the golf club. Staddon Heights Golf Club for the British Fireworks Championships. Looking forward to some fireworks, Owen?
Yeah!
Tag. No tag backs. No tag backs. No tag backs. What are you doing?
Doing tags.
Doing tags? You're gonna come tag me? Yeah, no, you're on. You're on. Not him. You're on. A lot darker now, so we're almost time for fireworks. Almost time for fireworks. It's about 20 to 9 now. We've got about 40 minutes to wait until fireworks time. You can see it's getting an awful lot darker here.
around our little space here that we're going to see. Got an absolutely amazing view. Down there, you probably can't see, but down there, right there, is there's a platform in the water where they're going to be setting off all the fireworks. So that's where the fireworks are going to go off. Go off hopefully around about this area here. So we're in a prime area, really good area to be able to see all the fireworks.
What are we doing now?
You excited for the fireworks?
Oh yeah.
Well,
We've been
it's at
waiting long
night,
enough.
so we've not got long now to wait until the fireworks. To be fair, Plymouth does look quite beautiful at night. Hopefully it'll look a lot better when the fireworks go off.
I would.
Right, that's the end of the fireworks championships in Plymouth for day one. We're not going to day two.
Unfortunately, the weather did come in the end, and the rain is now coming down, so we're going to take our leave and go home. Unfortunately, the technical difficulties, only 2 of the displays went ahead. Unlucky to the third, guys. Boys, what do you think of that, then?
Good, really good.
Alice?
Really good.
Really good.
5 stars for that.
5 stars? Oh, massive 5 stars. Which is your favourite, the first one or the second one?
First one.
First one. Alice, what do you reckon? First one or the second one?
Second one.
Oh, Mummy, first one or second one?
Second one.
I think the first one was better, but there we go. So it's a tie. Okay, so we're finally back home. And I think, shh, got 1. And then we've got 2 conked out, fast asleep, young boys.
Okay guys, so that concludes the vlog for the British Firework Championships from the Wednesday night. The championships were great. We went down to Staddon Heights Golf Club, really great venue. The staff were absolutely fantastic. Great bar staff, great hospitality. The stewards were absolutely fantastic. Just a really, really great venue. We've watched these fireworks before from Plymouth Hoe and from Mount Edgecombe. I've got to say the golf club has been absolutely one of the best places to watch those fireworks. Great, great atmosphere, great viewing point. Great staff, great club, so they get a 5-star from me and my wife. Unfortunately, the boys are in bed now, so they're not going to be able to review the place, but they thoroughly enjoyed it. Obviously, Owen gave it a 5-star for the whole event anyway, as it was. But I will leave you with some more highlights now to conclude the vlog, but hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment and subscribe if you've liked this, and there are more to come.